welcome. We're going to practice stepping and speaking. The pattern we're going to speak is going to be in 5, but the pattern we're going to step is in 4. Okay, so we're going to practice doing 5 over 4 and feel its cycle as it cycles through our feet, as the rhythm cycles through the 4. So we're going to start in first speed, which is just for every step, we're going to say a sound. So you can hear the metronome, and that's going to be our footstep. But we'll start a little slower and we'll work up to that speed. So first find your right foot, take a step to the right, and then left, and then right, left. Now with the metronome, right, left, right, left. So just getting this in your body. Step right. Now the whole time, the metronome is going to be keeping the tempo of our feet. Now what we're going to say, the solcatu for 5, goes like this. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Now I said that with my feet, but I didn't line it up so that my right foot was starting. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. 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 I'm just clapping at the beginning of the 5. Ki, ta. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Notice first it's on my right. Ta, ki, ta. Then left. Ta, ta, ki, ta. Ta, ka, 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 ta, ki, ta. Keep your feet going. Right, left, right, left. Make sure you step all your weight. That's an important thing because otherwise your body doesn't really know. If you're just kind of swaying, your body doesn't really know which way you're supposed to go. But if you transfer all your weight over, then your body knows that the only place it can go is the other direction. Now, that might seem obvious, but it's super helpful because now your feet become kind of automatic. You don't have to think about them as much because you're going to be thinking about now you're doing 2 sounds per step, okay? So that's 2. Every time I step, I say 2 things. You're going to feel it cycle a little bit different. Here we go. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, 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 ka, ta, ki, ta, 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 ta, ta. So notice together, ta, ki, ta, step. I missed it. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, step. Ta, ka. It's hard for me to say it. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka. It's between ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta. So that second one happens between my feet. Ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta. Together, step, step, step. Together, step, step, clap. See that? Together, step, step, clap. Together, step. Even though I'm not saying it, it's still in my mind. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. All right, now keep stepping. So got right, left. Now if you get off, a couple of things you can do. One is to get your feet back, okay, and build it back up step by step. You can't expect your body to just like dive into the full rhythm. You need to build it up step by step. The other thing you might have to do is slow it way down. And you also might have to figure out what you say when you're stepping here and what you say, but it's just sort of a cycle of two. The first cycle starts on the foot, and then when you get to the other 5, it kind of feels like everything's backwards, and then it kind of grounds back down, and then it's crazy. And that's kind of the feeling of odd time cycles, is that one feels solid and the other half feels kind of crazy, and then you just kind of have that, you just flow in that feeling of like solid, crazy, back and forth. Okay, so now back to our feet. Now we're going to try 4 sounds per step, and now it's going to cycle even faster. So first step, 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 step. All right, and we're going to say 4 sounds. Taka, takita, 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 taka, takita. All right. So notice that I was pointing out to you where it was landing on a foot. And so it would land on one of my feet every 4 cycles around. So it'd be like together, takita, taka, takita, taka, takita, taka, takita, together. And it would be on the opposite leg, okay? So just think about that. The 4 is pretty quick, but again, you can slow it way down. You can take it step by step and really practice that, because that is the key of where we need to be able to feel in order to play some of these rattlesnake rhythms later. All right. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments and I will do my best to answer.